Here's a real nice vise on a table. 4 foot long, 30 inches wide. The steel in it's like 3/8 inch thick. It's sitting on a table, but it's not attached to it. A good heavy steel table. This vise is really a neat deal. It's a 5-inch wide vise. It swivels. Plus, it'll turn like this, left or right. It's even got another vise on the other side. I mean, another clamp. It goes way out. It's a very, very good kind of vise. It's solid. Everything goes. You can show at the bottom here. It's got a real good steel angle iron table underneath it. 2-inch angle iron.